Hello and welcome. In this episode, we are looking at comments and border properties. Okay. So if you can recall, in HTML we did about comments. So in the CSS also, we are going to see how comment also works. Okay. Like I said before, in your HTML, that comment is your what, your friend. Okay. So it makes the readability of your code more essential. So anyone at all open up to your project, you will be able to see how your code has been nicely arranged, okay, by using all the comments. Now, let's start with the comments. And to make a comment in the CSS is very, very simple, okay. So you need a forward slash with a star, that is all. Then you close it, okay. You can put in something. Then you do the same thing. So this time you do the star with the forward slash and you close the comment. That is that. All right, so our body section is here. So let's go ahead and implement the comment to the rest of the section that we have in our project. Okay, so this is how you comment a single line, okay, a single portion of your code. Now, what if I want to comment a multiple portion of your code? It is equally possible, okay, and this is the simplest way of commenting your using comments in your project. Like I show you in your HTML. In CSS also it works the same. Okay, so all what you have to do is to highlight the portion of the code that you want to comment. Even if it's the whole portion of the project, you can highlight all and comment it at a go. Now to comment, you have to do command then forward slash. If you are on Windows, you do control then what forward slash. So I am on Mac, so command then forward slash, and you can see all has been commented at a go. Okay, you can see our opening comment is here, the opening here, and it has been closed here. Okay, so to uncomment also you do likewise. You highlight, then you do the command, then forward slash, and you are good to go. All right, so from here, let's look at the border properties. Okay, now if you check from this place, I have changed the background image. I'm using my logo. Okay, I'm using the code Afric logo. Okay, I've changed the first one. Now to the border properties, you can see that we have solid, and this is solid. Okay, this is solid. What we are seeing here is the solid. Okay, now let's see how the rest also works. Okay, so let's do the dash. Let's refresh and see how that one tests. Okay, so this one also is there. So if you're using a border, you can choose to use the solid or go by this. Or okay, so the dotted also, let's see how that one also works. It's kind of similar to the first one, but there's a slight difference. All right, so let's move on to another one. That one is doubled. Let's save it and refresh, and we can see. Okay, so the next one, that is the groove. Save it, refresh. Okay, that one is kind of fade. All right, so the next one, the outset. Let's see how that one so turns. Okay, this one is very thin. Okay, the line is thin and very and fade. Now we can also give another property called border color. Okay, and let's say we want our border to be blue. Let's save it and see how it turns, and you can see looking awesome. The border property and for the comments. Okay, so you can take advantage of the border properties and do more. Okay, so I have them here. Okay, so you can pause the video and you can maybe note them down and use them when it is needful. Okay, thank you. We end here. Come back on the next one and learn more.